Now you can actually see how it's foaming up and it's straight white. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here yet, this is Aspinwall Vlogs, and today we're going to talk a little bit about my truck. Well, last time that I washed it, well, the first time that I washed it, I came across that the tires had a lot of tire shine on them and just excess. So, and the truck has 91,000 miles on it, but there's no telling how many times whoever had it, previous owners, there was one owner previous, I'm not sure how many times he put tire shine on the tires and how long these tires have been on the truck. So I tried washing it the other day and the tire shine just wouldn't come off. You know, I figured I would show y'all, if y'all have any problems or come across this whenever y'all buy a new vehicle, that I'll show y'all what I do, because I'm not a fan of tire shine, and I'm one of those guys that just, because I wash my vehicles on a weekly, so there's really no point to put tire shine on. The only time I put tire shine on my cars is before my car goes into a show, or at the show I put tire shine on. I'm not one of those people that put tire shine on all the time. I just don't like it because it attracts dirt, and it doesn't sling by no means of the stuff that I use or anything like that. It just attracts dirt over time. It just creates a film on top of the tire, and I just don't like that. But if you haven't seen the truck yet, I just purchased this a week ago. It's an F350 2015 Super Duty 6.7. It's got 91,000 miles on it, and this is just a dime piece for as many miles are on it. It's very clean. I love the truck. It's very smooth. It's got a little lift on it. I mean, it's just amazing how nice it is. Let's look at this. So you can see whenever I do this and put my finger on there, you can just see the tire shine that's been on there, and it just covered in it all around the tire. So this isn't just dirt grime. This is the tire shine itself. Once it gets to a certain age of the tire, it just turns black. And this is the stuff that I do not want on my tire. It might make the tire really black for that first week that you put it on, but over time it just builds up and just creates a lot of just layers and layers of gunk. I'm gonna show you real quick what the tire is supposed to look like after cleaned, without no film, no tire shine or anything. It's still a little wet, but you can see that when I put my hand on it, there's no grime or anything. Of course, my hand's still a little dirty from the last tire that I just showed you, but there is absolutely nothing on this tire. Yes, the tire is going to get dirty over time of driving it on the road, but it's not gonna attract all the dirt that the tire shine does. The two things that I use, y'all probably seen in Walmart or any auto store like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Napa. They have these there. You need a hard bristle brush, not a soft, because you need a pretty sturdy one, and Simple Green. Simple Green I've always used for so many years for all my vehicles. It's a really good degreaser, and you can actually even dilute it down with water as well, so it won't be as strong, but I've always used it straight out of the bottle just to get as much power of degreaser as I can. So the first thing that I do always is clean the tires and rims first. Just because if you wash the vehicle, then try to clean your rims afterwards, then spray the rims and tires off, if there's any excess dirt on it while you're washing it, it can sling back up on the body of the car or truck or whatever you have. So what I use is a high pressure washer, 1600 psi pressure washer from Lowe's. So that's what we're going to be using today in this tutorial. Go ahead and rinse down the tire and rim. But now you're going to go ahead and spray around the tire in small sections, because there's just so much gunk on the tire that you're not going to be able to go all the way around. So I like to start in one small section. Whenever Simple Green is clean and there's no more dirt or grime, it's really foamy and white. But you can see there's barely anything. That's how you know there's tire shine on it still. You're going to keep doing this until it all comes off. Now you can actually see how it's foaming up and it's straight white. That's how you know the surface area of what you're cleaning is clean. Of course, all degreasers are going to be different, but this is just how Simple Green works. Here we are, guys. This is clean tire. It's just a certain area that I just washed, just so I could show y'all. There's absolutely nothing left on that tire. No more tire shine residue. This is how I like my tires. That's just how I personally am. Now, if I do put tire shine on, the next time I do wash it, I make sure all of it's off, then reapply it. I don't just spray it off with soap and then just leave it on and just leave it on and leave it on and let it just build up. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's a small little clip of how to clean the tires. They have a lot of tire shine on them from God knows how long. There will be more videos to come with this F350 that I have. It's gonna be a hell of a journey, and we're gonna have some fun in it because I've never had a truck and I'm ready to go mud riding and take this thing out. I'm not gonna tear the truck up, but we're gonna have some fun with it. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now, just so you can see weekly videos that I post. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Let's see if we can get to 50 likes. That'll be awesome if we can get 50 likes on this video. Well guys, I hope this tutorial video helped you out a little bit on what to do if you have tire shine build up on your tires. Take it easy. Make sure to be safe out there. I will see y'all next time. Don't forget, it's lit every day, bro!